Hello, today we are going to be talking about the IEP and the many different components of the IEP. The very first thing that we are going to talk about is the referral process. What is this? What is the referral process? That consists of either the school staff evaluating your child for an evaluation, or you could write a written consent to have your child to be evaluated, and that could be sent off. And we do have to understand that your child will be evaluated from the school staff. And since we're talking about this evaluation process, let's go a little bit more in depth about it. After the parents and their guardians and the school staff may request for an evaluation to see if your child will be determined for a disability to receive services. And please don't worry about providing any type of tests. The school district will provide the test for the staff to evaluate your child. And then after all these tests and evaluations are done, this is the eligibility determination. This is when we will determine if your child will be determined for any type of services. We will set up a meeting with everybody to get together and talk about the eligibility. If we seem fit that your child will be eligible for services, we will continue and meet with that and make an IEP. If we see at this point that your child does not determine to have eligible for any type of services, unfortunately the process is going to stop right now. When we do continue with the services for an IEP, well, let's talk about some of the components of the IEP. Let's see, the IEP will normally list the special services that your child will need. And these will include goals that they will be expected to achieve in 1 year. And don't worry, we do have a lot of staff that we will help your child achieve these goals in the year. The team will determine what services will be put on this IEP. It may include physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech, anything that your child will need. And sometimes maybe your child will need this least restrictive environment and will be placed into this environment. And sometimes maybe your child will have an aide to help out into the classroom. Let's see. And you might ask, what about the parent involvement? What about your involvement? Or what about the student's involvement in the IEP? Yes, the student can be involved in the IEP. But you want to make sure that you have a voice for your child, that they get the services that they need. And yes, the student can be involved in the IEP, especially when it comes to transition services, coming from elementary to junior high or junior high to high school. These transition services where the student can come and have their input about what they want and what they need, along with, of course, what you want and need for your child and what is best for your child. And thank you.